Hello everyone, this is the Rohit and welcome back with this new comprehensible input video. In this video you will gonna learn how to start practice in English. I am also practicing in English. I am not fluent that much, but I am trying to be fluent. And how you can be fluent? So there is only I guess I guess there is only one way to, if you are able to identify the objects and things which is around by you, so that is necessary to learn how to speak. If you don't know what is it, so how can you express yourself and your feeling related to this and related to them? How can you express? So if you want to express anything, you need to know how we say in English. you know are you getting what I'm saying? If you want to you know talk about this tree, so how can you say what type of tree it is? it I think it is a lemon tree, but I don't know. Yes, it is a lemon tree. You can see the lemons. And ऊपर भी sorry, I my mother tongue is Hindi, so you can see this is not a guava, this is a lemon. So this is a lemon tree, I guess. And there are many trees are there. You can see this. There are many trees. The all are not lemon tree. Some different tree are there. And as far as I see, I only, this is also a lemon tree. That is also lemon tree. And now I don't know. These are the plants. What types of plants? I don't know the name of these plants. If you know, let me know in the comment box. If you know the name, what we say in English, what type of tree it is, what type of plant it is. I don't know. This is these are plants. You can see this. These, I don't know what types of plant is it. If you know the name of these plants, you let me know in the comment box. So this is, I guess this is not the, this is the grass, I guess. This is, these are not the plants. This is the grass, I guess. These are the plants. You can see this all row. The same plants are there. And these are the same plants. You can see this. And this is the building. This is the building. You can see this. And in building, you can see the glass. Or in any building, if you watch a building which is made only through the glasses, we say it is a annexer building, but it is not a annexer building, because this is not made from glasses only. You can see the balls. And you can see the balls. That is why we can't say it is a annexer building. Okay, this is annexer building. And now I am wearing white color of shirt and now black color of pant, because of I am an advocate. I am want to be, you know my whole or my sole purpose is to you know able to convey my what I want to, what I am thinking and what I want to express myself. And now this is why I am learning. I understand English very much. I understand all the English. If someone come to me and ask in English, whatever they ask, I understand. But when I answer in English, my mind got blank, and the words don't come on my tongue. I don't know why. And those words, you know, a few words come on my tongue. My tongue sometimes slips, and sometimes my accent gonna very bad. This is why I am practicing, so that my tongue used to if I am mistake on myself, this is good. If I mistake with me and with you on camera, I am recording myself, because of because of I can measure myself कि I am improving or not. This is the only reason I am, this is why. And now you can see this. This is the grass. This is the cut grass. You know, this is the cut grass. This is the garden. This is the garden. There are many trees and plants planted here, and you can see those are the trees. I don't know what kind of trees because of I am so far away. And you can see there is a guy. There is a guy who is standing there. You can see this. There is a bag, and this is a table. These are the park type table. You can sit on it, and I don't know what kind of this. I don't know how we can use this. If I want to stretch my back, then I can use this. Otherwise, I don't think it I can use. Okay. So now, if we talk about this, is a stone tile, I guess. This is a stone tile, and these are the ants. Ants are running here and there. You can see this. These are the ants. Ants running. I don't know. I listen very. Once upon a time, we can say. Matlab, if I want to say, I want to talk. How can I express? Yeah, this is it. I want to express कि I listen through someone कि if in a time of summer, yeah, after summer, if you see the ants running here and there, it means whether it might be raining. It might be raining, and possibilities are very high to be rain. Now you can see the tree. I don't know this is a date tree or not. I guess this is a date tree. These are the date tree. I guess I don't confirm. I'm not confirm right now, but you can see this. This is the ball of you know you can see the tiles. This tiles is made from the stone, and these are also stone tiles. These are not the which types of tiles and that tiles we use in our house. These are not that type of tiles. These are the stone type tiles we can't use in. So I don't know what is the topic and what is the falana dhimkana. But topic is this. If I talk about this, this is a tree. This is a lemon tree. eh? And lemon is lemon is here. You can see over here lemon, lemon. This is the lemon tree, and lemon hang on the branches of the tree. Lemons are hanging on the branches of the tree. You can see this. The is hanged lemon is hang on the branch of the tree, and you can see this. And this is the trunk. We can say this is the trunk. This is a one tree, but the you can see this is a trunk and this is a trunk. We can say these are the branches of this tree, but if we talk about this one, this is a sole. We can't say this is the sole trunk of this tree. This is not the sole. These are the branches of this tree. You can see there. We can't see the root under the but if we talk about this, these are the branches, and these are the small and little branches over here. And lemon, you can see in green color. This is the lemon, and these are many lemons over here. If we what we can say, I don't know what to say now. And how, if we talk about I wake up early in the morning. Today I wake up and get up around at 7:30. After 7:30, I get for fresh, and then fresh I left my home to the court because of I am an advocate. I already shared to you, and I already said to you I'm an advocate. So I heading to the court around at 9, 9 a.m. in the morning, and it may takes to reach to the court from my home, it may takes around 20 minutes, depend on traffic or jams. So I I don't know, I reached here around at I don't know. Bye.